Helo.
Shwmai.
Would you like to learn more Welsh? There are 5 levels of learning. The first level is called Mynediad. This is a beginner's level where you can learn simple phrases and basic conversation. The next level up is Sylfaen, the foundation level. Here you can learn to talk in a little more detail. Canolradd is the intermediate level where you can develop reading, writing and listening skills. Progressing from intermediate to advanced puts you at the uwch level. This focuses on strengthening your written skills and enhancing your speaking. The final level is Hyfedredd, where you can become a proficient Welsh speaker and work towards fluency. Find your course at learnwelsh.cymru.